I am at the South African High Commission right now. The condolence book for Winnie Mandela is being signed, and as I look around, I see like Brett Samuel, I see Marjorie Shaw, I see a whole lot of lawyers, judges, entertainers. Tommy Cowan just signing, Carlene Davis is there, their daughter Queen Ifrika, myself and many others are here right now. So that is what is happening as we speak.
Signing the book was very special because I met her on her 81st birthday. It was very special. She gave me a message to give Jamaica that she's working on her health, and as soon as she gets stronger, she'll be here to see us and to tell us how much she loves us and how much she appreciates what we did for her husband and stuff like that. But for me personally, looking at in the moment at the time, I could see that it was more her spirit speaking, not necessarily from a physical place, but more from a spiritual place, because she was very weak. And it was very emotional and spiritual for me. I signed in the book that I missed her and that I will carry her in my heart, and wherever and however I can contribute to the struggle that I understood that she was fighting, I will always be there among many others to lend my voice to her for however long.